Yamiad no dinner because free.
Bingy man in United States of Copo.
Bingy man, Twaso.
Yeah. Kelvin Taylor. Kelvin Taylor. Was it an out of Bermanio? I already young couple. Now, Kelvin Taylor, any pan I won. Tuja, Papa Jimmy, no, did you won.
Tujanami uncle.
Oh, yeah, Papa Jimmy, and then the mammy Jimmy, living on the hour. That was a summer work and a bush for Jimmy on the hour. But the company, Papa, Kelvin Taylor.
All right. With us in Ujawato, with us. Hello, good evening.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Good evening.
Ekufuor will deplete your party before he leaves, and he's going to use Hunyiga. Hunyiga September ya no free we the judge Jumao. Edaya ya tamano, sika ya diamano. He is going to do the job for Ekufuor. You people will see. Namu di mujimi mo Alban bag bini di munkwasi adite parliament say let's protect parliamentarians who don't come to parliament. Namu di munhu bibida. So now the Supreme Court has ordered Bono East Regional Chairman of the New Patriotic Party, Kwame Bafo Anotantan Abronye, to serve a writ on Minority Leader Haruna Idrisu and 8 other former appointees of ex-President John Mahama. Last year, the outspoken NPP fool petitioned Supreme Court asking it to interpret Article 98 of the 1992 Constitution. Or say a NDC MPs almost serve under Mahama no Abronya Anotantan say omaje double salary. Unyiga say ono so agya to munko serve ono mo form mbra. Unyiga jail them. Samusu Jimmy. Me say Unyiga jail these NPP guys. NDC guy. Jail Haruna Idrisu. Jail anyone who took the money. Namu Musetia. Jimmy, you got the opportunity to be majority in parliament to run the show. You are foolishly sitting there. Umuntaka. Okwa sawasia. Wakodim kwasia samuho. Okwa sawasia wo. Edan betuna broche. Ebetuma hwa sawase 400,000. Woma come out and say you never gave birth to your kids in America. Abu will be told one like that. Or second wife. Omunyanko womba abroche. Into a parliament to say, let's save Addo Asafo. You're a foolish idiot. And I pray that Hunyiga jails you people. Because this is the clear work of Ekufuor. And I'm happy this is happening. Someone Jimmy, you got your opportunity, you were fooling with it. Mako just sikafia bina mudi Jimmy more parliament. Ekufuor be chirem so Jimmy Chemo. Oni patietia ani huni ho. Obe chirem so Jimmy Chemo. So Hunyiga justice. We know say you take and quick. Obeje quick. O de e de awaje wie. Jail them. Afi obu gumu party ni wia enambo hu sesa no ko ye je mensa so to sidelines or prepare last week okoye meeting on Jubilee House last week no ni this story I got so when excited. I saw the story I got so excited. Miniaji papa yeah. And the story is that Judge Hunyiga ese NDC for na MPP focus emoji double salary no substitute service yembe serve money from Umbra court on jail mo. Sa muntaka to say oh Addo Asafo de abrochirefo no ne mba no social welfare be fa ne mba no me say with this I support it 100%. Chambo mo Jimmy NDC MPs mo leadership na mo ho no mo be chire mo rough he Hunyiga is going to retire in September. These are some of the jobs they have given him. Monya 3 idiots who never came to parliament. Kennedy Japoheli Jimmy also not in radio so ya real dokro na ma ochina we dross ochina we pants we akwasi ampenyi mo konukurom kohwe ase mmoa no muguo no motoma no on my parliament argument papa bi ontimi nyebi na adwin ontimi ntrase and analyze issues on my parliament not aditin kankankan mu no didi patem o dinkofo atem na MPP for ye nkwasiafo nti akanfo ye Jimmy nti sa nipa na ye hwe no on my parliament Mompamno no muntaka kwasiato de say ai Addo Asafo ma na ye de wo muntaka except oba penyin no omba ne nyina wo mo abrochire inti na wugina hodi san kwasiasem no na I am very happy and Hunyiga jail them.
The agri sector has seen an improvement. The figures and the facts are there to show. 2016, the agri ministry, agri was growing at negative. Now, me no, and yeah, one thing I say, any baby to say no, your mom chance. We are making now radio station be a friend no but na kwatena so na o twatro de kire Ghana for na Ghana need to no wata na num no tie no on konkoye research on hwepo se oh akoye de okan yi because obi a ono na penso ye kra brode free Ivory Coast ye kra bro the common things are ya to me dua di no e koma den ya ama ye kra ni na aba and the ono abegina say Ghana for import banche and also you better expose no and also no you better expose no and then no it is just for that say it's about time say we let the ordinary Ghanaian now or nama bontia own him how things are done no to really know say there be sa party for we no more woman ni ye bi no woman ya ma kire say enye Ghana because so to me no be catch us on the ordinary so obenya sika 1 million no we jai politics and this ni don't you say to me no be on we catch us say no contribution no chop na still Ghana ni sorry ahomache the work or salary na wakoto abade yi sa aban ne say president bi to say Mr. Mahama na say for sign power. It tells you we have a long way to go. Now some of us who have traveled and seen the gains Ghana has made, we won't sit and watch Ghana reverse like they reversed us in 2008 when President Kufuor has set everything standard. All these people had to come and do was manage the progress President Kufuor has done. That is all they were supposed to do. Just that alone, these people couldn't do. Within 1 year, but could you be president within 1 year? I want the easy way out. Makotena senchi, me do jollof near the idea, me de kya don kono Italy, me we ye no, me see yanko IMF. No thinking outside the box. What can we bring other than going to IMF? At the end, you bet to me, I share other than say yako IMF. Obi de 11 ba obejiska kakrano, mujina say yem penemanema. Easy way out, monko IMF. Adentia because yen ko IMF. Into most moko IMF e be ya tiki ATP draw into your mind and yen ye dio. Nembum atika endra we ye me atika into most my ye be atika. Na on my name mem. Na ye road unko. Na ye infrastructure lake. Na we say MPP ni ye ubi enra. Into also and no be ni bi. Same pony the MPP no. Say when nipa de nipa ko e chiri sebe nipa ko animu kra na we end this ninti yet no. Na mo bo bra papa nka moko IMF. NDC for. Mukuku kwa yema mo mra no. Se mo bo bra papa anka moko IMF ana. Okay, no my baby now. We manage the economy with how the hell are you in IMF and you tell me say you manage the economy with your own funds that they receive in Mokai Mahama on the Kofi Addo interview no. Just say the man can lie and me nim send the handless no na almost said that as soon as video say on no so on said that yet thorough checking who say okay